And if you want a pretty big Mercedes Sprinter, pop-up roof, so you can sleep 4 people. And well, we can check all the highlights here, but also check slightly inside and how this looks. So this is a great design table with leather seating and a pretty wide sitting area for your 4 people dining. And then pretty great designed cabinet with the standard Sprinter chassis. And on the upper part we have the pop-up roof bed. It's slightly dark inside, but it's a great pop-up roof. Then we have a pretty tall fridge. This will be a Tedford of 100 liters. And here we have an induction stove, so yep, pretty much big power inside. Another cabinet and 3 more slide out cabinets right up here. Looks pretty nice. And then a cabinet open on that side. Pretty good size sink. And then on this part, the shower. That's not big, but it's actually with a chemical toilet. No, it's not chemical, it's like with paperless. I don't know how this works, but it's a new Klesana toilet. Shower and sliding door. This should be all waterproof. Getting on this side, we have the actual bed that gets on the straps, so you can get it up and down, and I will be measuring it right now. So from end to end we're looking at 1.823, and probably this will be shorter, but it will be 1.3 altogether. Not bad. This will be slightly shorter at 1.2, almost 3. Well, then here you don't have any cabinet, but just one big cabinet right up there. And also I forgot, you have a cabinet for your bathroom. And then this is the best part, you have another bed down there. So if we go to the back, around this rack here, we have another bedding situation down here, so probably can sleep 4 people up and down all together. So 1.257, and from this side is 1.382. So 2 people here or 2 people there. Then you can lower this down, or actually remove this to put something else. You get 2 chairs on this side, right up there. Well, this could actually fit 6 people, but actually just to drive 2. Not bad at all. Julia Campers.